All right, guys, Phantom Black Z Fold 3, it is here. We're going to unbox it, check it out. You know, I'm finally excited about it. At first, I ordered the white one or the silver one, whatever color it was, canceled it. I wasn't really excited about it, but it's here. Let's check it out. We're going to unbox this guy. The packaging, really quick, Z Fold 3. This is the Phantom Black color, Z Fold 3 on the side, 5G, of course, and on the back, very simple packaging. Let's just open her up, check this out. And see, so again, like I mentioned earlier, I did order the silver one first, and I'm glad I canceled it because I wanted the Phantom Black. So Phantom Black, 512 gigabytes. So the big boy here. You know, Samsung does have good trade-ins, and this year, the credit that they did give you, you can put towards upgrading your storage. So that's what I did. We're going to put this down real quick and just see what else is inside of the box. Not going to be much if I can get this thing out. So, of course, we are going to have the USB-C and some paperwork, and that's it. Nothing else, you know. Rest in peace to the bricks. We all know how that goes. So, basic stuff, guys. But I do like the slim packaging. I do like it a lot. And this is the Phantom Black Z Fold 3. Let's take off the plastic. Man, so this Phantom Black color, look how clean that looks. That matte finish on there is absolutely beautiful. I love it. And I got to say, again, I used the Z Fold 2 for a long time, so that's why I wasn't excited about it. Not a very big upgrade from the Z Fold 2. If you have the Z Fold 2, there's no need to buy the Z Fold 3 unless you just want it and you have deep pockets like that. But this thing is absolutely stunning. Looks really clean and really sharp. Now, you know, you got to close it. And that's what I love about the folding phones, right? Folding phones are here to stay, guys. They are here to stay, and I'm all for it. Now, there are some things about this, right, that are not perfect for me. But saying that, the Fold 2 was my favorite piece of tech last year, and I expect the Fold 3 to be a very similar experience, if not exactly the same. Let's be real, there's not many differences. Some things have been upgraded, some things are just not as good, and you can see here, this is one of them. You guys can see the hole punch still, right? Under display, it's still there. You can see it. You know, watching content on a dark screen, that's when it will really... You'll be able to notice a difference then, but on a white background, you will absolutely see that cutout there. So, you know, I wish they would have waited until it was perfected, but we get what we get. So let's take a look at this guy again. Triple camera setup, same as last year on the Fold 2. All three are going to be 12 megapixels. You got your wide, ultra wide, and telephoto. Very good on here. And the front facing camera, 10 megapixel, and then of course under display we have a 4 megapixel camera. And I already mentioned about the storage on here, 512 gigabytes of storage on here, 12 gigabytes of RAM. Now, one thing that I'm very happy about is the upgraded 120 hertz, not only on the big display here, but on this front display. So I am excited about that. The Z Fold 2, 60 hertz on the front last year, but now 120 all around, and it is an adaptive display. So I'll have to go into the settings, check that out, and see if it's on right out of the box. So starting Android up. Now on the side here, you can see we do have the power button as well as the volume button up and down. And this is also your fingerprint sensor, which I'm very happy about. I'd rather have it there on something like this than inside of the display or under the display. On the bottom, you're going to have your ports, your speakers, one microphone, and it looks so clean. And so the way I look at the Z Fold 3, it's a perfected version of the Z Fold 2, and it will continue to get better over time. Now, my big gripe with the Z Fold 2, you guys know I wanted a wider display on the front, kind of like the Mate X2, and that's what I want on the next version of the Fold. And if we don't get that, I probably will not pick that up, although I said that about this phone too. But you know how we are, us nerds, we love tech, so we got to have the latest and best. But hopefully we can get a wider front display, because if the Mate X2 was available here, that's what I would be rocking right now instead of this phone. simply because of that front display. Now, I want it to be just like a regular phone when I use it. But saying that, it's still going to be a really good experience. So we got to go in, start the settings. All right, so we're back. We got our settings in. Now let's take a look at the display again. Not a very wide display on here, but it is still 6.2 inches, 7.6-inch display on the front, and you can still see that cutout there. So I wish they would have left that out. Now we're not going to really do anything else with this phone. Just a quick unboxing, guys. One thing I am worried about is the battery life. A smaller battery than last year on the Fold 2, but I am excited to throw my SIM in it and use this again for a while and see if it's a very similar experience to last year's Fold 2, which I am certain it will be. So other than that, guys, that's it. The Z Fold 3, this is the Phantom Black 512 gigabyte version. It's a beast. It's a beautiful phone. Look how clean that is on the outside. I do have a bunch of case reviews coming up for this phone as well. They are already here in studio, so I'm going to drop them this week. A bunch of videos in store. Pixel 5a review coming very soon, guys. That's it. Z Fold 3, Phantom Black. Let me know. Drop some comments. Let me know what you think. Is it better this year because of the price? Are you better off getting the Fold 2, right? Very similar experience here. Let me know what you think. I'll be back soon with a full review, guys. That's it. Peace.